read the word.
You read it to me?
Read the side words.
Yeah.
H.
What's it say? Read us the story.
The map. Great.
Wait, read the book.
It's okay, it's paused. Here.
Monkey. Read the book.
You can with the map, she said. My dad had the map. It was in the room. We can
Speak up, I can't hear you.
before the X.
No, tell me again. Say it over again, I can't hear you.
The X. There's a box that is full of coins. What's this? That half is on the map. To go in that we had to crouch as loud as we can crack like this.
Oh, what's that page say?
Page right here. Come on, read this page. Monkey head, read this page.
The end.
No, there's more left. Okay.
That's the end.
Alright, that's the end.
That's the end.
That was good reading, though.
That was really good reading.
That was good reading, Wyatt.
Those numbers.
Hey, Wyatt. 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 Can you say hi, Gran?
Okay.
Look up here into the
Say
camera.
hi, Gran.
That's
Okay, can you say bye, Gran?
You gonna read the dogs?